Hello, today we are going to introduce working process of ceramic diamond bruting wheel for natural diamond. Diamond bruting wheel is used for polishing and bruting natural diamond. It can substitute PCD and process excellent diamond processing performance. Diamond bruting wheel has been proved its superiority in the jewelry processing industry, since it has enjoyed wide popularity in South Africa, Hong Kong, India, Belgium, Israel market, and etc. Diamond bruting wheel is installed on advanced CNC bruting machines, widely used for polishing and bruting natural diamonds, gemstone, jewel, agate. So here we have video of the gem processing from our customer. We strictly control the radium run out of the grinding wheel to ensure the grinding stability, so as to produce high-quality diamonds. Thanks for watching. Please log on the official website for details.